What is up, everybody in the XRP community, everybody in the digital asset space as a whole? Solomon here. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic Saturday. I had mentioned in my video yesterday that if there was news today, I would certainly make another video. And thank God, and finally, there isn't just news, but that news has to deal with price increase of XRP. So super exciting stuff today. I mean, I just wanted to give a big shout out to everybody that has been in the XRP community over the past few years. Watching this bear market has just been very, very difficult. Knowing what you're holding, maintaining faith. I know every single person in this space at some point thinks, what did I do? Am I completely stupid? Am I crazy to believe, what is going to happen with these digital assets that I've invested in? I could lose all my money, et cetera, et cetera. And it is a risky space. I will say that, number one. I don't believe that these were fundamental pumps whatsoever, necessarily. I just believe that it was, based on the way that the market structure is and everything else, I think that these things are due to pump at some point. I have my own opinions of 2017 and what happened there. Them kind of stopping that market from exploding and, this bear market that we've been dealing with since 2017. Regardless of any of that, regardless of your opinion as to why something pumps or not, it's just nice to see XRP, being number one for the past 24 hours out of the top 100 here. And that's absolutely fantastic. We can see XRP right now, $16 billion in volume, 41.93%. Right now, like 45 cents. So when I went to bed last night, I did a video yesterday stating that we need to hold above 30 cents, obviously. I had thought that we would maybe consolidate a little bit over 30 cents, hold it as support, as it was, prior resistance for quite some time since last year. But XRP is a little bit of a different animal. We know that with XRP and the bull run that it had in two times in 2017, didn't hold a lot of support. It just shot up. And that's kind of what happened today. Now, I hope that this was a smaller pump compared to what we're going to be seeing in the future for XRP. But XRP did overtake Tether again, which is very nice to see as far as market cap is concerned. We looked on the market right now. We got Stellar right now, past 24 hours, it's up 25%. I know a lot of people in the XRP community hold Stellar as well as XRP, myself included. These 25% pumps, and I haven't looked at the charts or anything too much for Stellar, but I do hold Stellar, VeChain as well. Not financial advice. I hold some VeChain. VeChain's up 22%, so awesome. Same thing with IOTA, up 20%. Band Protocol, Tron's up 16%. So I'm curious what the biggest losers are. Uniswap's down right now. Binance is down a little bit. Everything else looks to be pretty much up. Celsius is up a little bit. I don't hold any Celsius. Energy Web token, something that I'm interested in for sure. All right, but again, just a huge shout out to the XRP community. It's been a long time. We've been waiting for this for quite a while. But going through, we can see. Let me pull up the weekly. So this is XRP against Bitcoin right here. We pretty much hit double bottomed, you know what I mean? We haven't been at these levels from a Satoshi standpoint since the 11th of December in 2017. We just hit that level again, obviously. So, that was one indicator stating that we may have some fireworks in the market as well. I didn't even look at the RSI at all, but we obviously shot up there. I would have to draw some lines there, but and then if you look at XRP versus the USD, which is, it's very interesting how all of this is played out. First and foremost, we're being held down by the same trend line, and I don't even have to be a technical analyst to talk about it. Since basically, this is like February 5th, 2018, we did not break above this trend line. Now, the first break above that trend line was major, obviously, and we broke above that 27th of July of this year. That's also when we could see that the RSI had broken above its resistance, hadn't done that since January 8th of 2018. We obviously went up. We got held down at like that 30-cent level, like we just talked about. Came back down and touched against as support again 3 times, shot off. And I'm curious to see where we're going to be at, because we're at, like I said, about 45, 46 cents right now. That's taking us back to like June of 2019. I would expect some resistance there, but you know, we've seen crazier things with XRP. I'm curious to see where it goes. After that, you're really looking at, you know, you're into the 50-cent levels. And then after the 50-cent levels, you're into the 80-cent levels. After you get past that level, I mean, from what I'm seeing, there's not a whole lot that's holding you up to get to close to all-time high. And I know that us in the XRP community, a lot of us think that even, you know, I know Kevin K just said that on some exchanges you got a little bit above $3. You know, if you look at the body of the candles here, you're looking right about, it's like $2.70 for XRP. But yeah, I mean, this has just been a crazy day. We do have some bullish indicators going on for XRP as well. I'm curious to see, and you know, if you got the 50 and the 21-week moving averages, you know, last time we crossed above on that was back in 2017, really. So we just did it again over the past week. So I am curious to see where this goes here. You can see it holding right now. I mean, and the breakout right above there as well. But, you know, again, you don't have to be a genius. You look at some of these things and you look at their past histories, and you can see what their historical bottoms are against Bitcoin. Generally, there's a little bit of there's an up leg, you know, after those bottoms are hit. But regardless, you don't really need to hear this from me, because there's people that chart and do all this stuff for a living. I don't. But you can see some very basic things here. Support and resistance are easy. You can take things from a larger scale. I don't look at daily anything. I'll look at weekly and monthly, and that's pretty much it. I'm here for the bigger picture. I'm here long term, and I'm here to hold for the long haul in this space with almost everything. Now, granted, I have been looking into some shorter buy-ins, and hopefully I can make some profit from them in the near term. You know, if something pumps, I'm going to sell it. But something like XRP, I don't sell XRP. I don't trade XRP. I don't trade into other assets to try to get more XRP. I buy what XRP I can afford, and I stow it away for the long haul, because I am here for the long haul. Anyways, but hey, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend. If there's something that comes out tomorrow from a news standpoint, I will certainly present it. I just really wanted to say thank God that XRP has done something. We have waited long enough. I'm tired of dealing with nothing. But, you know, we've known that XRP to be an asset that does that. You know, it'll do nothing, consolidate, boring. And then you have explosive days like this. I hope this is not the only explosive day, and I hope that this is just an inkling of explosiveness that is going to come with XRP from a price valuation standpoint. But we're going to see where it goes, and I will be here the whole way. And yeah, congratulations, everybody. I know that we waited for this for a long time, but this is nothing in my opinion. I'd like to see us. I'll start getting really excited whenever we start getting over $1, getting over $2. Start attacking that all-time high, and then breaking all-time high, and then we can celebrate as much as we want to. But a lot of people made a lot of money today with XRP, and thank God, because it's been a long time before a lot of people have made any money from XRP rather than shorting it, or just, you know, trying to buy these small little consolidation dips, which are really nothing. I'm so sick of, I was so sick of 30 cents, so sick of 26 to 30 cents, so sick of 20 cents. Remember, we got caught on 20 cents for like, it felt like months. And now we're back into the 40s, the mid 40s. And yeah, I mean, I saw a good post today. Does 1 cent increases in price matter? And that was from XRP Darren. And I know that Stuart in the XRP community on Twitter posted, you know, if you hold 100,000 XRP, every 1 cent basically gets you another $1,000. So obviously 1 cent moves matter, but you know, when you're trading in this short little range for so long, I know it gets tiresome. We get bored, but trust me, the big money, they're not getting bored. They can wait this out much longer than you and I can. But you know, the system does need to upgrade at some point too. These digital assets with utility that are going to be utilized, you know, need to be utilized at one point or another. Regulatory clarity needs to come at one point or another. Right now, we're dealing purely in speculative pumps. This pump right here today literally had nothing to do with utility, in my opinion. Nothing changed from a year and a half ago, or nothing changed from 2017 when we were at all-time high compared to XRP now, with exception that XRP has a shit ton more utility, a shit ton more partnerships, a lot more liquidity on-ramps, rails, building out these corridors. That's what's changed, and we've seen this downtrend. You don't think it's being held down. Obviously, it's being held down, but everything's manipulated. You can't complain about it. We just have to wait our turn. That's the way that this market goes. It is going to be our turn. Today was a little snapshot of what our turn might look like in the upcoming weeks and months, hopefully. And I will be here for the ride. All right, I love all you guys and ladies. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Great day tomorrow. If there's news tomorrow, I'll certainly present it. If there's any scam ads on this video, don't participate in those. And again, congratulations, everybody. We've been waiting quite a while for this. All right, later.